Let's take a quick look at this small question. Find and return the countries with total sales higher than the overall average sales. Now for this we need only one table, which is invoices, and what all we need is billing country. Then we need total sales by country, so I'll simply use sum of total as country sales. Now to get the overall average sales, which means that we need average sales of the total by country. So for that we would need average of sum of total. Since we are doing this double aggregation of average of sum, we would need a window function, and since we don't want any partition or any ordering, I leave this empty. And then let's round this off again to two places, and notice that the comma is not coming after sum, it is coming after the over as average sales. Apply group by. Now let's see the output of this. So we can see overall average sales is 97.03 per country, and this is the sales by country. Now let's quickly add this to a CTE, and let's call only those country sales and average sales from sales where country sales average sales. So as we can see, we are getting only these countries which have sales higher than the average sales. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series.